So the alternative option to purchasing the phone system and the calling directly from Microsoft is to use what's called an Operator Connect or Direct Routing Partner. Okay, these are third-party cloud providers that have built integrations with Microsoft so that they can deliver their calling and phone system into the Microsoft Teams client. So effectively using the Microsoft Teams apps, mobile app and desktop app, with a third-party cloud phone system. You might be asking yourself, why would I do that? Why wouldn't I just buy the functionality from Microsoft, from the source? Well, many customers have a strong relationship with a service provider, whether it be a managed service provider, a cloud service provider, an organization that they can call that can help them accomplish a goal with their communications, whether it be, I want to set up this phone routing, I want to set up this auto tenantry, I need my calls to go here at this time of day, and then another place at that time of day, etc. And unfortunately, as I mentioned earlier in the video, you're not going to have that with Microsoft. There's nobody at Microsoft that you're going to call unless you're a large multinational. I'll preface it with that. There's nobody at Microsoft that you're going to call to say, hey, can you help me set up my phone system routing? It's just not going to happen. You can't deliver the services at the scale that Microsoft is trying to deliver those services at and have people that you can just call in and ask for setup help for. That's why you have MSPs, that's why you have organizations like Accent as well. We take a lot of pride in delivering for our customer what they need to succeed, whether that's a product or whether that's the proper configuration or whether that is support of a product or a service in helping them make changes or get things working the right way. That's a lot of, if not 80 to 90% of what we see makes a successful deployment of cloud services, phone systems, communications, etc. So that is a huge piece of your business and your needs. If you're sitting here and saying, I've got to have somebody I can trust to get on the phone with and say, when this isn't working, I need to get it fixed or I need to get it changed, or my business changed, I need to change some of the steps in the flow of my communications. That's a big piece of your business and that's important to you. I would highly recommend taking a strong look at these third-party options through the Operator Connect and the Direct Routing program. Another thing that you might consider here as well is, let's say you've got a cloud provider today. We've got customers, Accent, obviously we're a fully featured cloud phone system and collaboration and communication platform. We've had customers say, hey, Accent, we love you guys. How do we work with Microsoft Teams and you guys together? We say, no problem. That's really easy. We'll take your current phone system configuration and we will just add the Microsoft Teams capability to your phone system and allow you to make and take calls from Teams. And if you want, for some users, even retain your desk phones. So some customers, some users still have a mix of folks that they want to be able to have desk phones used in their organization along with the Teams app component. So let's say you've got a smattering of users over here that only want to use Teams. You've got some users over here that want to use Teams or desk phones, and you've got the users over here that just want to use desk phones. And by the way, let's not forget about all the break rooms and the conference rooms and the analog devices, and let's not forget about the room phones if I'm a hospital or a medical operation, or let's not forget about the shop floor phones, or all these other kind of third-party devices that we forgot are plugged into our phone system, but they really are, and they make our business work, right? So all of those pieces make up the soup, which is your communications infrastructure. We've got to be able to account for those in one way or another too. And oftentimes, working with a third-party cloud provider or a third-party platform can help you integrate those devices better than just going straight to Microsoft Teams. And that's where we see the biggest benefit to organizations. You get the component of working with somebody that you trust, you can get on the phone with, you can talk to about your problems, and you get the other component of all these ancillary devices, third parties, etc. You don't have to flash them with Microsoft firmware. They work as your users are used to them working, and they can help transition you from a just a phone-based environment to maybe a hybridized environment of phone and apps with Microsoft Teams, and then maybe eventually, as your business evolves, you can go to that full Microsoft Teams environment as well. The big takeaway here is the choice is yours, and there are options, and you need to know about all the options available in the market. All right, Microsoft Teams voice calling. What did you think? Let us know in the comments below. Which way are you headed with Microsoft Teams, and are you putting voice calling into it? What options are you using? Love to hear from you directly. Also, if you liked this video, please leave us a like. If you're interested in seeing our videos regularly, you can subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. It'll let you know when we post new videos. We've got lots of different videos out there around the telecommunications industry and different topics, and we're posting regularly, so you should subscribe to the channel if you're interested in that kind of content. Thank you very much for watching the video, and if you want to learn more about Accent, you can check us out at accentvoice.com, where we provide cloud phone system, team messaging, video meetings, Microsoft Teams integration, cloud contact center, and a whole lot more. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Thank you very much.